Welcome to the IT Entry Sysadmin track. I'm Professor Scotland, and over the next 5 lessons, we're going to build your foundational IT knowledge, the kind that maps directly to CompTIA A+ and Network Plus certifications. Let's start with what IT actually is. IT, information technology, is the full stack of hardware, software, and networks that make modern computing possible. If you're the person people call when something stops working, you're in IT. At the bottom of the stack is hardware, the physical machines, servers, workstations, routers, switches, storage arrays. Hardware is the foundation everything else sits on. On top of hardware sits the operating system. The OS manages the hardware. It allocates memory, schedules processes, handles file storage, and provides the interface between humans and machines. Windows, Linux, and macOS are all operating systems. And as a sysadmin, you'll work with all three. Above the OS, you have applications, the software people actually use. Email clients, databases, web browsers, office suites, and connecting it all is the network, the cabling, switches, routers, and protocols that let devices talk to each other. Why does this matter? Because when something breaks, and it will, you need to know which layer the problem is in. Is it hardware? A dead drive? Is it the OS? A misconfigured service? Is it the network? A bad cable? Knowing the stack tells you where to look. Next lesson, we go deeper into operating systems. See you there.